Welcome to MC Bali channel with me, Nirmala Trisna. In this video, I'm going to show a video of me doing an MC job for Christoph and Jessica. They're a lovely couple and they have chosen Bali as their destination for their wedding. They have invited their family and friends, and they have traveled all the way from Jakarta, from the Netherlands, from US, from Singapore, from everywhere to be with Chris and Jess at Pandawa Cliff Estate. As an MC, we have to be able to present ourselves as a lovely host for their wedding party. When I accepted the job to be an MC, I have sent the bride and groom several questions for them to answer, and in that questions I wanted to know the bride and groom better, so I sent a lot of questions to them. In that way, I can know them better and I can act as a good MC and a good host for their wedding reception. So now you will see the wedding of Chris and Jessica at Pandawa Cliff Estate that happened here today on Saturday, the last day of August in the year 2019. Please enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Jessica and Christopher. So welcome, we would like to invite Ulrika. Yes, I would like to request you to please deliver the speech and also our prayer for this evening. Friends Bali will entertain us and enjoy the evening. I will come back soon with other speech, of course interesting ones from the loved ones. So now please enjoy. The Friends Bali will entertain us with lovely music this evening. Enjoy the food. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a symbol of you doing your first task together as husband and wife. Please do cut it from top to bottom. Congratulations, you did it well. So first, Chris, you feed your wife. You promise to give everything to your lovely wife. Scoop it nicely. And now it's Jess' turn. As a wife, it's also your responsibility to take care of your husband. Oh, okay. Can we give a round of applause to both of them? Competition! Come on, girls! Come on! You can do it! Ladies, this is serious. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that was it. The MC of wedding reception for Christopher and Jessica at Pandawa Cliff Estate with me, Nirmala Trisna. Thank you very much for watching, and please wait for my other videos that will be uploaded soon. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. So please like and share also, so you can spread this video to everyone who wants to know how to be an MC or how MC Nirmala Trisna does her job. See you in the next video. Thank you.